Unleash the full potential of your go-kart adventures with the complete electric go-kart kit. Transform your ride with our powerful 72-volt, 1500-watt brushless motor and experience speeds like never before. This kit comes packed with everything you need, like arms, steering knuckles, and rear differential for the best ride possible, with a high-performance speed controller and robust batteries to precision steering and durable tires. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, our kit includes all the essentials: LCD, display for real-time monitoring, multiple control switches for optimal handling, and safety features like front and rear brake systems. Assemble with ease and hit the track with confidence. Get yours today at electricgokart.net. Electrify your go-kart experience.
If you like what you see, then like and subscribe. Be a winner!